Well, I'm really excited to be here with you guys today, and we have so much to talk about, just a ton of innovation across all of our products and all of our segments. So let's get right to it, and what I'd like to do is start with individual artists. So I don't think there's ever been a more exciting and challenging time to be an artist in this industry. There's more people creating content than ever before. Getting your story seen, your music heard can be really hard. And with all of this competition, it can be tough to make a living. But at the same time, you also have more tools, more technology to help you out, and more outlets than ever before to get your work out there, and that can make all the difference. So take music, for example. So when producing a song or a soundtrack, your tools can help amplify your talent. And they can help you connect and collaborate with others to get your work out there. And this has really been our focus with Pro Tools, and there's been a big year for us for innovation here. So we want to show you some stuff here. Check this out.
In the back of the bar, said he liked the way I play my guitar. He was looking for a similar sound, trying to sell it to the suits in Midtown. And it might be nothing, but it might be something good. Spent 20 at the grocery store, play the numbers that my mother was born. Till the picking at the end of the day, I'll be dreaming all the money away. And it might be something good. And it might be nothing, but it might be something good. And either way that it goes, I'll still be happy from the hope it brings. Yes, because heaven knows, dreaming hard is a heart that sings.
Dude, that was great. Yeah,
So pretty cool. So did you know, thank you. We've had 6 major Pro Tools releases this past year. That's a new release every other month. And maybe the most revolutionary release was Avid Cloud Collaboration for Pro Tools. So this is our new cloud service that lets you easily connect and work with anyone from anywhere on the same session right within Pro Tools from the cloud. And we have nearly 5,000 cloud collaboration projects active right now, people working together in the cloud, and that number keeps growing every month. But we didn't stop there either. We also delivered countless enhancements for music creation, editing, and mixing. Just a ton of really cool features, like the new Soundbase intelligent loop browser for creating loop-based music, and enhanced editing and freeze workflows, all to enable you to create faster without bounds. And remember the artist community that we rolled out about 18 months ago? That huge talent network that we created? This year, it's grown to over 28,000 members. And we expanded it with new services like talent search and music publishing and distribution so you can connect with others and get your work out there. And all of this is made possible by the platform. So that's audio. So what about video artists? When we think about filmmakers and editors, your tools need to help you take on any job that walks through the door, deliver it faster and at top quality. And this has always been our focus with Media Composer, and this year has been no exception. Let's take a look. The editing experience on Media Composer has always been deeper than any other tool. And now that we've gone to subscription, with new feature releases every other month, we continue to innovate and refine. With over 100 new enhancements this past year alone, some big, some small, we've made Media Composer even faster and easier to use. And a lot of this was a result of direct feedback from all of you, the ACA. And of course, we're not in this alone. Our alliance partners help us take Media Composer into whole new workflows and becomes the hub of all sorts of different workflows. For example, like taking stock footage from the cloud and editing it right into your timeline or in your bin. Or VR workflows to create really immersive experiences. That's the kind of capability that Media Composer on the platform delivers. You know, it's amazing what professional artists can achieve with our solutions. And to see the true impact of Pro Tools and Media Composer on the entertainment industry, you really don't have to look any further than this past award season. Just about every artist at the top of their field uses our tools. It's really true. And they all have stories about the help and support that they got on their way to the top. And all of us at Avid feel a deep connection with our customers. And we're really proud of the role that our technology plays in supporting them in their success. And as we look to the future, we believe we can also help the next generation just getting started by giving them access to the very same tools the pros, their heroes, use. So you'll remember about 18 months ago, we rolled out Pro Tools First. It's a free download of the industry-leading Pro Tools software. And since then, we've had over 500,000 downloads. That is huge. So 500,000 people using Pro Tools First. And now we're bringing Avid Cloud Collaboration to Pro Tools First so that anyone can connect and work with others through the cloud wherever they are. I mean, this is huge, connecting aspiring music creators across the globe, and it's all because of the power of the platform. So when we saw what Pro Tools First had done for the music creators of tomorrow, we knew we had to provide that same opportunity for the next generation of filmmakers. So I'm pretty excited about this next video. Check this out.
I've always been interested in stories. Maybe it was all the times I went to the movies with my father that led me to this passion I have for filmmaking, especially video editing. Because I love how the story unfolds in the edit. It's all about being creative. Whether I'm editing a short film one day or a music video the next, the tools I use matter to me. And I rely on the industry's best so I can focus on what I love the most. My name is Michaela, and I use Media Composer First.
All right, so today I am thrilled to announce Media Composer First. The same amazing tools used by those award-winning editors will be available in June for free. Yes. And let me tell you, we've done a bunch of things here to make Media Composer First easier to use for new users just getting started. So we've done things like simplified the project window. We're providing pre-built effects, titling, color effects templates, even added a one-click publish to social. So basically, any beginner can get started and very easily on their way to the top here using the tools that the pros use. And this is so cool, so I don't want to just talk about it. What I want to do for you is actually show you up close and personal and give you a demo of this. What I'd like to do now is introduce Mr. Michael Krulik, our demo artist extraordinaire. Mike, come on out here. So Mike, I'd like to give the audience here a demo of what we've done with Media Composer First. Can you do that for us?
Absolutely. So yeah,
Fantastic.
very important. Like you mentioned, we want to, basically let the new breed of editors learn how to use Media Composer and make it very easy. And you did mention the project window. So you'll notice here, I can simply type in, let's call the project 2017. When I hit create, it actually launches you into a nice clean interface.
Now wait a second, Mike. Usually with the traditional Media Composer, there's a lot more steps there that you have to choose the frame rate and raster and all of that.
We're going to actually lead the first-time editor through the process.
Wow.
So what you'll see here is we actually have little hidden ways to help the first Media Composer editor learn how to drag and drop from the source browser to add clips to the project. And even in the sequence, drag clips here to create your sequence. So if I want to go and find my little iPhone videos here, we have a little hover scrub.
Nice.
Ooh, nice. You can take those and you can drag them up into the bin what we can also do is drag that into your sequence. And you mentioned the process of easier project creation. You'll see here that it actually takes you through the process. It lets you create the project quickly and easily, or the sequence, and it's right there. The 2 bins, nice and easy. Again, we can take more clips, drag them up here, double click and add it. You'll also notice the green and the blue highlights. It actually relates to the green and blue in your timeline. So you get a nice understanding of what is happening in your sequence. But again, this is Media Composer, so we can add, we can drop, we can drag, trimming capabilities, everything is live right there, again, making it very easy for the first-time Media Composer user.
I mean, now, it almost walks you through each step.
It does, actually. Dana, even you could use this.
That's what I'm thinking. Even I could cut a sequence on here.
Now, what's also nice is it takes you through the process of creating or publishing your sequence. So I simply right-click, I go to Output, and notice it says Publish. The nice thing about that is it'll create a file, or also will publish directly to YouTube.
That's awesome.
So again, a nice, easy interface, a great way for the first-time Media Composer user actually springboard their career, because they can take the tools that they learn here and move them into the full version of Media Composer when they decide to.
That is just awesome. Mike, thanks so much for the demo. I really appreciate it.
Really quick.
Mike, cool with everybody. And because it's on the platform, Media Composer and Pro Tools First are helping aspiring artists connect, collaborate, and get their work out there. So we're really excited about this.